Good morning, Year 2. I'm back for some more maths this morning. We are going to carry on with our shape learning. So on Monday we learnt about the properties of 2D shapes, and yesterday you absolutely blew me away with finding lots of different shapes that you could use for your creative pieces. I saw lots of really good artwork that made me smile. Okay, so today we are going to be moving on to 3D shapes. So rewind to a couple of weeks ago when we did shapes, and we said that 2D shapes were flat and 3D shapes were fat. Okay, so we've got to remember the difference between 2D shapes that are flat and 3D shapes that are fat. Okay, they're usually an object that have more than one dimension. Okay, so I'm going to give you a poster to help you with remembering 2D and 3D shapes. So I'm going to show it you now, and what I'd like you to do is pause the screen and have a little look to remind yourself. Okay, are we ready? There we go. So on the top 3 rows we have got our 2D shapes, and on the bottom 2 rows we have got our 3D shapes. Okay, so we've got circle, triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, oval, rhombus, semicircle, parallelogram, trapezium. They are 2D shapes and they are flat. Now below we have got our 3D shapes, which are the square base pyramid, cylinder, hexagonal prism, cube, cone, triangular prism, sphere and cuboid. They're quite complicated words, so do feel free to keep rewinding to this part to help you. Your task is set today on Purple Mash. There is this task, and then I've got a use it challenge as well. So it's called 2D and 3D shape sorting. It has got today's date on it on your account. When you get on it, press launch app, and it's really simple. All you've got to do is look at the shapes and decide if they're 2D, if they're flat, or if they're 3D, they are fat. Okay, so I can see here I've got a circle. I know that is 2D shape, so I'm going to drag it there. I'm going to do that for all of my shapes. When you're finished, just press done and submit it to me, and I can have a little look. I'm going to be giving dojos out when I see children have completed their work. Okay, so pause the video here, do that task, and then I've got an exciting use it task for you afterwards. Well done, guys. Well done on completing your Purple Mash activity. Now for your use it challenge. What you've got to do is go around your house and hunt for any 3D shapes and 3D objects. So I've done it this morning. Now the main ones I want you to look for are a cube, which I actually didn't manage to find, a cuboid, a sphere and a cylinder. Okay, any others that you find, extra bonus points, and I'd like you to send me a picture of you with your objects. So I've done it this morning, and I found Archie's ball, which is a sphere. I have found a box of stock cubes, which is a cuboid. I've also found this pot that I keep my tea bags in, and this is a cylinder. Okay, so let's see how creative you can be and what you can find around your house. I can't wait to see all of your pictures. Okay, I want to give out lots of dojos. Okay, see you tomorrow, guys, for some more maths. See you later.